we're going to do a real true life unboxing. We might ask why we got a dragon here. Well, I was watching a video on terrible knives, like 15 terrible knives, and one of them was a dragon looking rainbow knife, and my wife Vicky said that looks cool, so I said, do you want me to buy it? And so
I said, yeah, it looks like my dragons.
So see how it's like rainbow colored. So
this is the Papa Dragon.
So we're gonna see how it was under a terrible knife, but I ended up looking at it and I said, well,
hey, I'm not using the knife. I just want it with my dragons.
So yeah, it's gonna display. That's sharp too. This is a true unboxing, not my normal or my future fake unboxings that I put the knives back in. This is actually a true one. She's opening it for the first time.
I'm opening it.
So, so I wrote down some information. It's a MasterCollection MC8014 Rainbow Colored Dragon, 3.7 inch blade, 3.2 ounces liner lock assist. May have 440C still, not sure.
Okay.
So she's opening it up for the first time. Oh, looks like, oh, I thought there was tape. Oh.
There is tape on it. Hold on. Guess I really don't need a knife to. I'm going to take the package. But
it's sharp. Careful. Doing everything on one. Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I got it. Get out of there.
Oh.
Ooh. Oh, not as pretty as my dragons, but it matches. Ooh.
It's supposed to be assisted, so it has a flipper on it. Oh, it's gold. It has a scale.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Wow, that opened really nice. Look at the scales. Can you see the scales?
Yeah. Oh, it's sharp.
It opened super nice.
I wasn't going to write the phone book paper, but I think it's sharp enough to cut phone book paper right out of the box. Let me see.
Doesn't drop.
It's a spray, yeah, it has detent, so it won't, but it's a...
Wow, that's nice.
Let's see if I think it's sharp enough to cut foam paper. I mean, I'll give it back to you in a second, but I just...
Not quite.
It would probably cut regular. It's pretty sharp, though, for out of the box.
Out of the box.
But I'm going to give it back to her. She's like, give it back.
Well, as soon as we get off here, I can look at it even better. Can you see the scales on the blade?
You bring it up to it, and then...
Oh, boy, look at that. I love those scales.
It does match the dragon, the rainbow part.
Yeah.
So it was under terrible knives, and I understand...
It's very heavy.
Yes, it's supposedly 3.75, almost 4 ounces. I think it should be more. It sounds like more than that.
I like the length of it.
Yeah, I like the swoop of it, like an Arabian looking knife.
Yeah, it's very cool. I really like it. Oh, look, I didn't even notice there's a dragon on the...
Right, and it's supposed to be on both sides, too.
Yeah, but you can't see it.
You can't see it because of the clip.
But the clip is only...
Right. It's actually one side down. You can only... It's more decorated. I mean, it's a functional knife. It's sharp. I'd probably strap it.
That really looks good with my dragon.
And, but it's actually a flipper, and I read it was 440C, and that's a good steel that holds the edge pretty good. I mean, I haven't played with the assisted. There's a liner lock. I'm giving you technicalities, but it has nice... Oh, yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
That's real nice. Let's see. I'm going to see if I can see you. I can't tell if it's running on... I can't tell if it's running on what kind of washers it's running on, but I can't tell. But it is spring assisted. But it's like... It's like...
You don't even have to whoop it open.
No, the blade is... Came from really nice ground. I am sure it's sharp, but what it was, this other internet person that has a lot of followers, he does videos and with terrible knives, and
I'm glad we watched that.
yeah, and I mean, some of them were stupid, but this one, look, he said, well, this ain't bad. It's just not wasn't for him. But
It's
this
not like I'm gonna use it. It's just
right.
a
It's
display
it'll
of
be
the
like
dragon.
like oh, she guarding the jewel. Yeah,
Yeah, dragons like shiny things.
yeah.
Yeah.
Sitting at the foot of it.
He doesn't like you touching him.
Yeah, you see his face. He's got like an angry looking
Careful,
face.
he's heavy. He's not angry, he's stoic.
Like, yeah.
He's beautiful.
Yeah, so
He's like, who's guarding my family up there?
so like I said, it's a dragon. All right.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day. See you later. Bye.
Bye.